Geothermal Energy Part 1. Geothermal energy is heat energy stored deep inside the earth. So, how do we get geothermal energy? The term geothermal originates from two Greek words, geo and therm. The Greek word geo means the earth, whilst the word for therm means heat from the earth. Geothermal energy is energy derived from the heat of the earth. This is the earth, and these are the layers that it is made up of: the crust, upper mantle, lower mantle, outer core, and inner core. The Earth's center is a distance of approximately 4,000 meters, 4,000 miles, and is so hot that it is molten. Heat from the center of Earth conducts outwards and heats up the outer layers of rock called the mantle. When this type of rock melts and becomes molten, it is called a magma. Magma can reach just below the Earth's surface. Rainwater sometimes seeps down through geological fault lines and cracks, becoming superheated by the hot rocks below. Some of this superheated water rises back to the surface of the Earth, where it emerges as hot springs or even geysers. Sometimes the hot water becomes trapped below the surface as a geothermal reservoir.